Cool.
Well, that's not cool. That's just a box.
This is a radio control Spitfire.
Isn't it?
It's a foamy.
And
It's fully aerobatic.
aerobatic.
And
It's got 3 modes.
yes.
So it's got beginner,
Mm-hmm.
well, medium, and expert.
Yes.
So, and that's because it's got 6-axis gyros in it.
Mm.
That's the level of safety nets in the controls.
Yes.
So on full beginner mode, I imagine it somewhat flies itself.
Mm.
And in expert mode, you got nothing. It's all you. It's you in the air.
So in beginner mode, it's got all the full function of the 6-axis gyros helping it.
Yep.
Stay level.
Unbox it. Let's fire it up.
Oh, what do you mean?
I wanted you to. So this plane here is brand new to us, and I absolutely love it.
Don't you?
Was it 300 mil?
Is it? Looks about that, doesn't it?
I'm waiting for the next shipment to come in because this is actually the last one left of the initial shipment. So when the next shipment comes out, I'm going to go flying.
So we've got all these spare propellers.
That's what I like. Comes with 4 propellers.
So you've got two bladers,
Yes.
and you get 2 3-bladers. So there's one on the plane already.
And how cool does it look?
Single cell battery.
450 milliamps. So you're going to have a pretty good flight time, I imagine.
Pretty chunky, isn't it? Chunky single cell.
I need a mechanical finger.
Yeah. And there's a charger. The charger is simply a USB type charger.
So you could probably charge this off a power bank even.
Oh, certainly. Yeah, just
Spare,
walk to the
and
park.
spare parts
Now, the
will be
transmitter's
available.
underneath here, is it?
Yeah, you need that because I'm going to fire it up. I'm going to fly it in the studio.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
All right, and there's a
I'm
transmitter.
going to fly off the table. That's why we cleaned up in here so we could go flying. No,
Yeah.
you're going to show us how to fly.
Yep.
Show us the training.
There's a tranny. All right, let's go from the top. Okay, so you get your throttle on this side.
How can
Throttle
you
and
tell?
rudder, yeah?
I don't know.
Don't know? Well,
I
we'll
don't
work it
know.
out
I
after
don't-
we launch it.
That's right. So we've
And
got.
then you got ailerons and you got elevators.
Yeah, I don't know.
We have our mode switches here.
Yep.
Okay, so here was beginning,
Beginner.
mid, and then expert.
Yep.
And with each click of these, you're getting less and less support from the gyro.
Yep. And then you've got what is this button?
Oh, that's aerobatics
I
button.
like the sound of it.
Okay, so special aerobatics button.
Yeah.
You push this, and depending which way you tell the aircraft to roll.
I think if you move the airline or something, if you move that, it'll do a barrel roll
That's right. An
For you.
automatic. Yeah, that's right. It'll automatically do the barrel roll.
and self-level.
That's right.
Nah.
How good is that? That you're a winner. Oh, all right. Batteries. Ooh.
That was emotional.
Ooh.
I don't usually hear that much emotion from you. Yeah,
You're-
you put those in, and I'm gonna get the 450 milliamp battery in
Yeah.
the plane.
All right.
Just don't chop my finger off.
What do you mean?
Well, I'm worried.
I don't even know how you arm this thing because you armed it. The other one the other day,
I'm
didn't
not,
you?
I'm not licensed.
Aren't you?
Uh-oh.
Is it on? Because I haven't switched it on yet.
Well, this could be a problem.
All right, we'll switch on now. All right, so we've got flashy lights. Oh, it's solid now, which means it's bound and probably armed. Yeah?
Can you hear it working? Can you hear it?
You can hear it. Okay, and
It's
that's
like quivering in my hands.
if you hold that sideways to the top camera, do you think people would be able to see those ailerons moving? No, because it's trying to level itself.
You
Oh,
can
there
see
you
the
go, there you
servo
go.
moving.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can see I haven't put the battery in properly. Classic Brett.
There you go, it's all locked in. Yeah, so that's the gyros.
And if
automatically
I
moving.
was flying it, it's probably the attitude the plane would have.
That's right.
Be upside down. headed into no man's land.
There you go. So we've got these spring wire undercarriage.
Yep.
So they're springy. Same with the rear one.
3 wheels.
So it's got a tail dragger, just like the real plane. It's got a really good scale look.
And it comes pre-painted. Everything.
It does. So if you do that, so that's in the beginner's mode, right? If I
Yeah.
flick the mode, that's a mid mode. So it's still assisting. An expert. No assistance.
Nothing. It's just
Nothing
you,
at all.
it's you in the plane and the elements, mate. Just
That's
like
right.
Biggles.
Barrel roll it into the ground.
There'd be no barrel rolling. Just is it really flying or just elegant crashing?
Oh, I don't know. It's pretty tough. It's like expanded foam.
And have a look at this. It's got like a bit of a safety mechanism here.
Yes, yes. So any sideways
A quick release quick release looks funny with the propeller, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's right. So it's a prop saver.
A prop saver.
If it gets any sideways force on it, it just flicks off.
Yeah.
And even still, there are all those spare props that are included.
Yeah. My fear would be is knocking it off and it.
Can I power off now?
No, I want you to power it up in a second when I get this on.
I was going to power up before your fingers move.
Here you go.
What do you mean? Are you going to hold on to that?
Yeah.
Right. Let's throttle that up, eh? So here's the throttle. Oh, that's armed now.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so push it all the way up the top to arm it.
I don't know what you're
Bring
doing.
it back. All right, so that should be armed. Keep your fingers away.
Scaring the camera.
Scaring the camera.
Scaring
that
me.
That is a bit scary, isn't it? So there we go. Can't really demonstrate the
front one.
aerobatics one.
Why? I want you to fly it off the bench.
Yeah, you sure?
I'll catch it.
Oh, yeah? All right.
Are you sure?
No. That's not sure.
Oh, come on. Oh,
How's that?
told you I'd catch it.
You did
It
catch it.
actually got airborne.
Yeah.
Did you know how to fly?
No.
That got
I was just going
airborne.
to launch it. Did it?
There you
I'm
go.
watching.
You can fly that inside.
There you
Trained
go.
professionals. Do you like it?
It's beautiful. I like it.
And
So what
there's,
else is there?
there's Messerschmitts.
Yes. And then
There's
was there a 0?
There's a 0 and there's 2 versions of Spitfire.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
It doesn't have
like
an
it.
off and on switch, I've discovered. That's why I didn't want to plug the battery in.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Well, there we go.
That's not a problem. It just you
I'll
have to
power
take
it on
the-
while you got that appendage in it.
No, probably not. All right. I think you
What are
best
we
turn the transmitter off. All right, we're safe.
Okay.
We're safe for the moment.
We're good to go.